Build a money-making dropshipping store. With AI, I wanted to explore whether AI can truly create a profitable dropshipping store, rather than just an attractive website. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through building an AI-enhanced dropshipping store, covering everything from product research to setup and marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay tuned until the end. This knowledge can save you countless hours of experimentation. Section 1. The impact of AI on dropshipping. Conventional dropshipping is challenging since it demands extensive product research, compelling descriptions, page design, and ad testing. AI alleviates much of this burden. By utilizing data and automation, we can reduce guesswork and streamline processes. This doesn't imply zero effort. Rather, it allows for more intelligent work. Section 2. Step 1. Discovering profitable products with AI. First and foremost is product selection. This step is critical. A poor product will not sell, no matter how appealing your store appears. Follow these steps. Utilize AI to evaluate products that are currently trending. Identify issues that consumers are eager to resolve. Concentrate on items priced below $50 that offer emotional or practical value. I use AI to assess trends, customer reviews, and competitor advertisements, pinpointing products that are in demand. You're not crafting new ideas, you're confirming existing ones. Section 3. Step 2. Constructing the store with AI. Now let's proceed to building the store. This is where AI can save you significant time. Follow these steps. AI suggests catchy store names and branding concepts. AI crafts compelling product descriptions. AI creates headlines, bullet points highlighting benefits, and FAQs. AI aids in laying out a streamlined homepage. I prioritize simplicity and clarity. Focus on a single main product, straightforward navigation, and an efficient checkout process. While AI generates much of the content, I review it for precision. Section 4. Step 3. Crafting product pages that convert. An effective product page anticipates customer inquiries. Layout includes a clear headline addressing the problem it resolves, bullet points focused on benefits, social proof such as reviews and testimonials, a section for frequently asked questions, a strong call to action. AI structures this logically, ensuring all essential information is included. Section 5. Step 4. Streamlining fulfillment and customer support. After launching, we need to automate store operations. Automation tasks include automatic order fulfillment, sending tracking updates, AI-enhanced responses for customer support, templates for refunds and FAQs. This system enables the store to function smoothly without requiring you to respond to emails constantly. Section 6. Step 5. Attracting traffic with AI. Traffic is essential for sales, and AI can assist here as well. Traffic methods include AI-generated advertising content, short-form video formats, Reels, Shorts, TikTok, SEO-optimized product pages, scripts for influencer outreach. If you're on a budget, begin with organic traffic. Once you begin generating sales, expand through advertisements. Section 7. Step 6. Amplifying what's effective. When sales start coming in, AI can help assess successful strategies. Actions for scaling include investing more in successful ads, increasing the average order value, introducing upsells and bundles, rapidly testing new creative content. Section 8. Reality check. This approach is not a quick fix solution for getting rich. However, it is a legitimate business model. While AI accelerates execution, it does not eliminate the necessity for dedication. Subscribe to Digital Cash Empire 1 for more tutorials focused on leveraging AI in business.